guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a big important video today to help with English pronunciation. English pronunciation is so difficult. You don't say things as you see things written. One of the most common mistakes of pronunciation in the English language are words ending in ed. Walked, played. If we can correct this one major mistake, it's gonna sound more like me. The pronunciation of words ending in ed all depends on the final consonant sound. So there are 3 different ways that we pronounce ed. We have id, t, and d. Now, there are 3 rules that are gonna help you identify which sound goes to which word, which I am going to share to you now in a moment. So please stay tuned. Rule number 1, id. Words ending in T or D. Super important. Super important. Want. I wanted. Id. I wanted. Wait. I waited. Id. Taste. I tasted. Id. Need. I needed. End. It ended. Now, to help you with rules 2 and 3, with the d sound and the t sound when we're pronouncing ed, okay, you really need to know the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds. A voiced sound is when, you're going to think I'm crazy, but you put your hand on your throat, and if you can feel the vibration as you pronounce the letter, then that letter is voiced. If you cannot feel a vibration on your throat, it's voiceless. M. So you go, There's a vibration right there. L. You can feel the vibration. I can feel it. It's like a little earthquake going on there right in your throat. Then voiceless, let's pronounce the word t, 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 t. The sound doesn't come from your throat, it comes directly from your mouth. P, 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 p. If the sound comes from your mouth, it's voiceless. If you feel it in your throat, it's voiced. What has this got to do with the pronunciation of ed? Well, any words ending with a voiced sound, then we use the d sound. Play, e. You can feel it voiced. So it's played. Play, I played. Enjoy, I enjoyed. Rain, it rained. Clean, I cleaned. Close, I closed. Love, I loved. And the last one, number 3, the t pronunciation of ed. So here we use the voiceless sound. So when the word ends in a voiceless sound, we use the t. Work, I worked. T, 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 t. Do you see? Do you see the sound? Cook, I cooked. Cooked. Cook. Kiss, I kissed. Kissed. Stop, it stopped. Look, this is a big one. I looked. Looked. I didn't look it, I looked. There you have the 3 rules of how you pronounce ed. Id, d, or t. Super important. You know what I'm going to say, guys. It's practice, practice, practice. And this one you should really practice a lot, because it changes everything. It changes everything. As always, guys, put your comments down below. I want to hear from you. I want to know what you find difficult. I want to know what you would like to work on. And I just want to know it all. So just put it in the comments down below. Check out my page to see if there's any other videos that can help you out, which will improve your English. See you later.